How to refer a friend in DoorDash application and get a referral code. In this video, I will show you how can you easily refer a friend in DoorDash application to get a referral code. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open DoorDash application and look for offers which says earn delivery credit. As you can see the detail of this post, it says $5 for every friend who orders their first delivery. So you can share the link of such type of post from DoorDash application to your friends so that you will earn money whenever your friend will order using that link in DoorDash application. So that's it. That is how easily you can refer a friend in DoorDash application and get a referral code or money sometimes. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.